Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Daniel, and I'm your host. If you don't know who I am, please take your time to go to my channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and become part of our community. Today, I'm going to be bringing you guys along with me on 5 cold calls to off-market properties. If you are new to wholesaling, then take time to go to my channel and go to my video, 5 tips for beginning wholesalers. Okay? In that video, you'll learn 5 tips to get started, how to find your market, and more, okay? In this video today, this video is so for the people who already watched that video, who have their market, who have their list, and they're ready to start making calls. If you're new to wholesaling, this is gonna give you some insight on what to expect when cold calling. Now, we're only doing 5 properties because I don't want to make the video too long. If you are already a wholesaler and you've done deals, then you should know the process of cold calling. But I hope that this video does give you a refresher and some entertainment for the next couple minutes, all right? So let's hop right into it. Today, I'm going to be cold calling a list that I retrieved on XLEADS. I retrieved this list through a 7-day free trial, okay? How I like to do wholesaling is as cheap as possible or free, all right? And this is the way I like to teach it because this is how I got started, okay? How I'm gonna be making my phone calls is gonna be using text now, but you can use other softwares like Google Voice, okay? So first we're gonna start by dialing the number. And remember, this is once you have your list, once you found your market, if you are new to wholesaling. Again, if you are new to wholesaling, please go to my other video, which is 5 tips for beginning wholesalers, okay? The link will be in the description. All right, let me bring the volume up so you guys can hear. Okay, so it seems like this number isn't in service. It said that this number is busy, to try again later. What we're gonna do is we're not gonna get discouraged. We're just gonna move on, okay? So what I'm gonna do in my notes, I'm gonna highlight that one red. For me personally, I don't wanna waste time ever going back to that number because it's most likely out of service. And as you get more familiar with the cold calling process, you're gonna learn right from the sound of it what it sounds like when a number is out of service, okay? So we're gonna move on. This is property number 2. All right, let's see. It's ringing. I hope you can hear it. It is ringing. Now this one that's ringing, I'm gonna highlight it yellow so we can call back another time because maybe they're not home, so we want to call back in a later time, okay? We're not gonna waste too much time. We're gonna move on to the next number. Now, this is what you want to do when you start cold calling. You don't want to waste time on cold calling. Or remember, what we're trying to do is find motivated sellers. A motivated seller is someone who needs to sell, not who wants to sell, okay? It's someone who is behind on their taxes, someone who has code violations. Maybe they live out of state. Maybe they're getting too old. They don't want to deal with the property, but they need to sell, not that they want to sell. Someone who wants to sell is just someone who's like, yeah, I'll sell it. How much you're gonna give me? That's not what we're looking for, okay? Those people, we want to put them to the back of the line. The people who's going to the front of the line are the people who need to sell. And I repeat that over and over again because that is crucial to getting your first deal and to repeat getting deals after that, okay? You don't want to waste your time on properties that aren't deals. Anyways, let's move on. This is our 3rd call. And again, if no one answers, I do apologize, but this is the process and this is what you have to do in order to find a first deal for free. It's a voicemail. Now, in that situation, what I would usually do is leave a voicemail. I would say, "Hi, my name is Daniel. I'm calling about your property over on blank street. But for this video, I don't want to give anyone's address out. So I don't want to do that on this voicemail. But if you're cold calling and you do get a voicemail, you might as well leave a voicemail just in case. Why not? You're already there. And it gives you a chance of getting a call back to find that first deal." Okay? So now we're moving on to the fourth one. And if this fourth one doesn't answer, I'm gonna go ahead and do 6, one bonus number. It's ringing. Okay, so that number just continued to ring. It must be a house phone and they must not be home. So we're just gonna move on. Now this number, this is our 5th call. And as I said, if the 4th one did not answer, then I would do a 6th bonus call, right? The 6th bonus call that I am gonna call, which is after this 5th one, so stick here to the end, is gonna be a lead that I called yesterday. And I was making cold calls yesterday between 5 and 7. And she said, "Hey, it's after 5. Give me a call back during business hours between 9 to 5. So right now it is 1:55. So I'm going to call this 5th number. Hopefully they answer. And whether they do or they don't, stick around so I can do this 6th bonus call. And you can see me talk to a lead that I did speak to yesterday. She did say that she does want to sell her property and she is supposed to be meeting with realtors. So I'm going to talk to her and see if we can if she would be interested in an offer that we can provide for her. Okay? Again, if you want to learn how to make offers, if you want to learn how to find comps after repair values, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and become part of our community and grow with us. All right? Anyways, let's get back into it. So let's see. This is call number 5. I'm not sure if you can hear that. The phone's pretty low, but I can hear it. Hello?
Yes.
Hi, is this Norma?
Yes.
Hi, how you doing today?
Doing okay.
I'm calling about your property over on Noble Ave.
Yeah.
Is there any way you're interested in selling?
No.
No? Okay, thank you. Do you have any other properties you want to sell?
No.
No? All right, well, you have a good day. Thank you. All right, guys, well, we got an answer there. Now, Norma, she wasn't interested in selling. We can save her number, highlight it yellow, call her in a month. You never know. Sometimes things do change. okay? I wouldn't cancel her out completely, but I'd say maybe call her back in a month or two, send her some direct mail, because as I said, you never know. Sometimes things do change, okay? So out of 5 calls, we got 1 answer, and unfortunately, she wasn't interested in selling. But as I said on call 4, when they didn't answer, now it's time for our 6th call, which is the bonus call. If you're just tuning into the video now, this bonus call is a customer that I spoke to, a lead that I called yesterday from the same list, and she is interested in selling. She is interested in selling, and she expects to sell with a realtor soon. So we're gonna call and try to convince her to sell with us, okay? So let's see, I got the address here. Let's find her. Let's see where she's at. All right. Okay, now I have the address. This is number 6. This is the bonus call. Again, this lead, she did want to sell. I called her yesterday. She said it was after 5, so to call her today between business hours. So now we're going to give her a call, and let's hope that this is a deal. Let's see what motivation she has. Why does she want to sell? And on this call, what we're going to be doing is trying to build relationship with her and make her more comfortable with us. I did tell her that she can find us on Google under Rosario Homes. If you're new here and you want to see some businesses that I made myself, you can find Finished First Movers on Google, which is my moving company, and you can find Rosario Homes, which is my second business, okay? Let's see. Let's grab our notes and a pen so we can take notes here.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How you doing, Pamela?
I'm fine.
That's good. I spoke to you yesterday about 11:47. Told me to give you a call during business hours.
Okay.
Yeah, so I wanted to talk to you more about the property you're interested in selling.
Well, I am interested in selling, and I have people lined up to see, and
Okay, do you have any cash offers at the moment?
that's the first. Rosario Housing.
Rosario Homes, yes. We're investors, yes. Cash investors. We pay cash for homes
Located.
in Bridgeport, Connecticut.
Okay. Well, send me some information about your.
Okay, yeah, we would like to make an offer on the property. I just wanted to ask a couple questions like, why are you looking to sell?
Because I've been here for 31 years, and I'm downsizing.
Okay, does the property need any work?
Excuse me?
Does the property need any work?
It depends on who's looking at it.
Okay,
The inside is fine, the outside is fine.
okay. And just another question I have, do you know what year was the property built?
Yeah, because I'm the only owner, so I moved in maybe what it is, I moved in 1987,
Oh wow, you're a veteran
and I believe
here.
it was built in 19. We started the renovation in 95.
Okay.
Okay, but you can look all that up on the record.
Yeah, I could look all that up. I just wanted to know exactly why you're selling, see what's motivating you. Yeah, that's a good year though. 95, that's the year I was born. So I'm gonna look up some more information. Can you receive text messages to this number? Or how would you like for me to send you over some information?
You can send text.
Text?
You can send it to my email.
What's your
My email address.
okay? What's your email?
P as in Pamela, A as in Jordan,
Okay.
B as in Bob, I, Z as in zebra,
Okay.
2004.
2004. All right, Pamela. Thank you for your time. I appreciate it.
You're so welcome.
All right. Have a good day. All right, so we did find some motivation in this call. She wants to sell. She's been there for 30 something years. She's the only owner. She did say that the outside needs some work, or she didn't feel so comfortable with me on the phone, but she did feel comfortable enough to give me her email. She does want us to email her over some information. So what I will do now moving forward on this lead is I will go find an offer price, find some comps, which are properties in the area that have sold recently. And if you want to learn how to find comps, please go below, type in comps in the comments, and I'll make another video on how you can find comps for your leads in this process, okay? Next, after I find an offer price for this property, what I'm going to do is maybe take a ride by and take some photos of the property, take a look. She did say that the inside is fine, but that the outside might need some work, that she's been the only owner. And as from the sounds of it, I think that that property might be a potential lead, okay? She is looking to sell. She has motivation. She's looking to downsize and go somewhere else. And guys, this is a lead. It might seem too easy, but this is the process of this game that we're doing, of this job that we're in, and however you want to look at that. Okay, if you are new to wholesaling, I hope this video has helped you. And if you are a wholesaler already, I hope this gave you some refresher and inspires you to keep going. One thing that I say, one tip that I remind myself is one thing that I heard John Cena say. Good to remind yourself, why are you doing this? What is your purpose? Like, what is your cause? What is your reason behind it? Do you want to change your life? Why do you want to become a wholesaler? And you remind yourself this with every no, with every call, and you keep going and don't give up. All right? Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you'd enjoy this video. Till the next one.